Hey everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Have you ever wondered how blockbuster movies or AAA games create those incredibly lifelike crowd simulations? Today we are diving into Real Illusion's CrowdSim, the revolutionary tool that's changing the way we can bring crowds to life in open world games and videos. Today we will explore how CrowdSim's motion matching and trigger animation technology can bring your 3D scenes to life with intelligent character navigation, dynamic environments and seamless integrations. CrowdSim allows us for real-time customizable crowd animations, making it easier than ever before to create lifelike crowd scenes. The key features include intelligent navigation and obstacle avoidance, but also this tool is using Unreal Engine's new features for motion matching and trigger animation technology. Also all this is using customizable characters with facial expressions and accessories. Also the setup is very easy. You can automatically detect and deploy walkable areas within 3D scenes, ensuring your characters can navigate smoothly through the environment. You can also set up width and splines for walkways with simple point and click. With ease, you can create foot traffic paths, adjust road curvature or width, and form continuous loops. Other cool features are, for example, also the prop distribution, so you can designate areas as spawn regions and quickly generate props. Choose between formatations or random generation types and customize settings like spacing or orientation. Another cool thing is the crowd scattering and smart avoidance. With this you can easily create crowds with individual and in various actions like sitting, standing, walking or jogging. You can adjust those settings for density, orientation and also for formation. CrowdSim's smart avoidance technology also ensures that characters navigate through obstacles realistically, reducing backtracking and avoiding bottlenecks and all that stuff. At the same time, everything is very customizable and expandable because you get access to scanned actors from the actor core or design custom characters with the character creator. But not only that, you can also automatically rig any model with AccuRig for seamless integration in this tool. Use CrowdSim to edit AI-driven behaviors and customize triggers to control characters' movement and also gestures. For swift simulations, characters can also transition to light mode, switching back to edit mode for detailed animation work, and this will also give a performance boost when characters are a bit further away or something like that. iClone's instant load and auto cache features also ensure smooth and efficient simulations by retargeting and caching motion data. Also the export and rendering later will work seamlessly. You can effortlessly export animated characters to 3ds Max, Maya, Blender, Unreal Engine or to the NVIDIA Omniverse. For this you can utilize auto setup plugins for seamless integrations, and LiveLink here also enables a two-way workflow to synchronize with Unreal Engine and NVIDIA's Omniverse, with upcoming support for 3ds Max and Maya as well. So today we covered how CrowdSim can really revolutionize your crowd simulations with real-time animation, smart avoidance and seamless integrations with other tools. Just imagine what would be possible when you pair those tools together with smart AI characters, for example, you can actually talk and interact with or similar stuff. I guess this will really be the future of open world games, as you can see also in my previous videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so I can make more in-depth tutorials or videos about these topics if that is something which is interesting for you guys. So also feel free to explore the links in the description to learn more about CrowdSim or other similar videos we did back then, also with the AI characters which are actually talking and all that stuff, because I guess in combination those two tools will really change how open world games are made. And of course there are also other tools like Unreal Engine's crowd simulations, so if you want we can also talk about those more in the next videos, because both tools have the pros and cons, as it's like normal in the industry. There are many ways how you can achieve your goal, but you always need to pick the right tool. And if that's, for example, also something you are looking support or you want some feedback or something like that, then also let me know that in the comments, or you can also find my mail here. And in general, also if you're looking, for example, for a reliable team or a developer assisting with your games or metaverse development, then I also would be very happy to hear from you in the comments, or also, as I mentioned, just write me a mail and then we can analyze your use case and I can assist with any questions related to the CrowdSim. And I'm looking forward learning more about your project. But that's it for this video. Have a nice rest of your day and take care. Bye.